Well, here's my spread, y'all. This is a classic Southern Christmas dinner, minus the French silk pie. I didn't get around to making it. I'll do it later. I'm worn out. There's the ham and the glaze, the mac and cheese, the green bean casserole, the vegetables, brown and served rolls and margarine. I still have my homemade rolls in the freezer. I didn't feel like baking them because somebody brought me these. My eggnog. Eggnog and hot chocolate are my two favorite drinks during Christmas. Mints and candy canes. I'll never make the candy canes again. That was too much work. Pecan brittle, divinity, fudge balls, and my signature flavor, butter rum pecan. Spritz cookies. I'll never decorate them again. Sugar cookies. Same thing. Never decorating these puppies again. Well, here it is, y'all. I'm going to eat some of this mac and cheese. The green bean casserole. The roasted vegetables. That's good. I'm going to sit here and finish the rest of my dinner. Y'all don't worry about being alone for the holidays. Just cook you some food and enjoy it. I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas and a blessed Yule. Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa. Whatever y'all believe in, don't matter to me. Bye, y'all.